Hello, I am Nate Murphy, and this is my student portfolio submission. This Christmas I got a Raspberry Pi, which is a very small single-board computer. A single-board computer is pretty much a laptop without the screen, the keyboard, the mouse/trackpad, microphone, speaker, or even operating system. So you have to plug all of those in. Step 1 was finding an operating system. After some research, I decided on Raspberry Pi OS, or formerly known as Raspbian. This is a type of Debian, which is also an operating system. After that, I downloaded an application called Raspberry Pi Imager, which helps you take an operating system and burn it to an SD card. My dad had a spare SD card that I used, and after that, I plugged it into the Raspberry Pi and set up the operating system with Wi-Fi and an account. Now I didn't need another desktop, so I decided to run a Minecraft server on it. Minecraft is a very popular sandbox game where you run around a randomly generated world, fight monsters, and eventually defeat a dragon. Minecraft is also multiplayer, but when it comes to multiplayer, there are two options. You either pay $7 a month for a Realm subscription, or you set up a server. The downside of a Realm is that it's a subscription, and it is not very customizable. You cannot modify the game on a Realm. So I decided to set up a server. I started by installing Java to run .jar files, which are very important in making a server. Then I use a command called wget, which takes a link and downloads the file from that link to download buildtools.jar, which is a file that helps you set up a server. Once you run buildtools.jar with Java, it should download Spigot.1.16.4. 1.16.4 is the version of Minecraft that I'll be using, and Spigot's a type of Minecraft that's optimized for servers. Once you have your Spigot file installed, you should be able to run it, verify it, and the server should be up and running. After that, I decide to modify the game a little bit by downloading a data pack. Data packs make very small modifications to the game. For example, when you break a tree, the leaves float in midair for a little while and decay very slowly. A data pack can make all the leaves decay in less than 10 seconds. Data packs are very simple. You go to a website called Vanilla Tweaks, download one, and drag it into your data pack folder inside of your worlds folder. Next, I decide to download a resource pack, which is like a data pack, but instead of changing the behavior of the game, it changes how the game looks. For example, a block called Netherrack was pretty recently updated to have a new look. Some people like the older look, so with a resource pack you can bring that back. Resource packs are more difficult, but still relatively easy. First, you have to have a Dropbox account. You have to get the file, put it on Dropbox, and get the link. After that, you go into your server properties, find the required required resource packs variable, and paste the link in there. The link should end with a 1. Change that to a 0. If it's a 1, it will open the file on Dropbox when you click on the link. If it's a 0, it will download the file off of Dropbox when you click on the link. After that, the server was set up, and that's it. I now play with 2 of my other friends on the server. Thank you.